afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education past question. Question number 14 says, the love and care for the young ones in the house connotes dash. The love and care for young ones, that is young children, between adolescent age and so on and so forth, in the house, which is home. Then we can represent this home by parents, meaning parents is called dash or means dash, connote dash. A, cultural display. B, family support. C, responsible parenthood. D, social feelings. E, traditional behavior. The correct option here is option C, responsible parenthood. Responsible parenthood, that is parentalhood. Responsible parentalhood. So it is responsible parentalhood that indicates love and care for young ones, and automatically or by tradition it is the responsibility of parents to show care. It is the responsibility of parents, that is good parents, to love and care for their young ones. Not cultural display, not to display culture, and not family support. Whatever they do, the family support them, either wrong or bad, either good or bad, the family support them. Social feeling simply means belonging to societal norms and so on. Then traditional behavior, that is the norms, the culture, the practice of the people. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.